Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about the Empire of Japan. Now we're going to talk about the type of a government where the Japan Empire was. Military dictatorship and dual monarchy. Now we're going to talk about the Empire of Japan. First Emperor of Japan was Emperor Meiji, who ruled Japan from 13th February 1868 to 30th July 1912. And second emperor was Emperor Taisho, who ruled from 30th July 1912 to 25th December 1926. After Taisho was Hirohito, who ruled from 25th December 1926 to 7th January 1989. Now we're going to talk about the territories which is occupied by Japan. Then Taiwan, Manchuria, Korea, French Indochina, which was present-day Vietnam, Laos and Cambodia, Dutch East Indies, now Indonesia, British Burma, Myanmar, Thailand, British Malaya, now Malaysia, British Borneo, now Brunei and Malaysian states, Sabah and Sarawak, Philippines, East Timor, New Guinea, South Sea Mandate, Nauru, Wake Island, mainland China, South Sakhalin, now under Russia, British Hong Kong, now Hong Kong, Kiribati, Papua New Guinea, Kuril Islands, Hokkaido. Now we're going to talk about the puppet states. Machuko, who was a puppet state from 16th February 1932 to August 1945, which is now Manchuria, which is under the People's Republic of China. Mengjiang, which was from 12th May 1936 to August 1945, now Inner Mongolia, now People's Republic of China. Empire of Vietnam, which was from 11th March 1945 to 25th April 1945. Second Philippine Republic, which was from 14th October 1943 to 17th August 1945, now Philippines. State of Burma, 1st August 1943 to 27th May 1945, now Myanmar. Wang regime, which was from 30th March 1940 to 23rd of August 1945, now People's Republic of China. North Shanxi Autonomous Government, established in October 1937, annexed to Meijiang in 1st September 1939, now Shanxi, which is now People's Republic of China. East or Hebei Autonomous Government from 25th November 1935 to 1st February 1938, which is annexed to the provisional government of the Republic of China, now Hebei, which is now People's Republic of China. Provisional government of Republic of China, which was from 14th of December 1937 to 30th March 1940, is annexed to the Wang Jingwei regime. Kingdom of Cambodia, which was from 9th March 1945 to 15th August 1945, which is now Cambodia. Reformed government of China, which was from 28th March 1938 and which is annexed to Wang regime. South Chahar Autonomous Government, 4th September 1937 to 1939, annexed to Meijiang in 1939. French Protectorate of Laos, which was from 8th April 1945 to 12th of October 1945. Now we're going to talk about conflicts, wars, battles. Boshin War, which was from 27 January 1868 to 27 June 1869. Imperial victory, end of the Tokugawa shogunate, restoration of imperial rule. Japanese invasion of Taiwan, which was from May 1874 to 3rd December 1874. Japanese victory, occupation of Taiwan by Japan. Battle of Ganghwa, 10th June 1871 to 11th June 1871. Japanese victory, severe damage inflicted on Korean defenses. Southwestern War, 29th January 1877 to 24th September 1877. Imperial victory. Shizoku rebellions were suppressed. The conscription systems were established in Japan. The first Sino-Japanese War, which was from 25th July 1894 to 17th April 1895. Japanese victory. Korea removed from Chinese suzerainty. The Treaty of Shimonoseki. Japanese invasion of Taiwan 1895. Japanese victory. Annexation of Formosa. Boxer Rebellion, which was from 2nd November 1899 to 7th September 1901. Allied victory. Boxer Protocol signed. Russo-Japanese War, 8 February 1904 to 5th September 1905. Japanese victory. Treaty of Portsmouth. Battle of Nam Dai Moon, which was on 1907. Japanese victory. Imperial Korean Armed Forces was disbanded. Truku War 1914. Japanese victory. Truku tribe were scattered in many different locations. Tapani Incident 1915. Japanese victory. The colonial government subsequently took steps to improve colonial administration in southern Taiwan. World War I, 28th July 1914 to 11th November 1918. Allied victory. Siberian intervention 1918 to 1922. Defeated by the Bolsheviks and regained Siberia. Jinan Incident, which was during on 1928. Japanese victory. Jinan occupied by Japan. Musha Incident 1930. Japanese victory. Ceded land was given to the Truku and Toda by the Japanese after the incident. Japanese invasion of Manchuria 1931 to 1932. Japanese victory. Tangogu Truce and establishment of Japanese puppet state Manchukuo. Pacification of Manchukuo, which was from 1931 to 1942. Japanese victory. The rebels have been crushed. January 28th incident. 28th of January 1932 to March 1932. Stalemate. China and Japan signed the Shanghai Ceasefire Agreement. Shanghai demilitarized. Soviet-Japanese border conflicts, which was from 1932 to 1939, defeated. Soviet-Japanese Neutrality Pact. Second Sino-Japanese War, defeated. Merged into World War II. Japan surrenders. Battle of Khalkhin Gol, 11th May 1939 to 16th September 1939. Japan was defeated. World War II, 1941 to 1945. Axis defeat. Battle of Kohima, 4th of April 1944 to 22nd June 1944. Defeated. Marked the beginning of Allied push into Burma. Battle of Imphal, which was from 8th March 1944 to 3rd July 1944. Defeated. In British India. Victory. Allied push to Burma. Invasion of French Indochina. 22nd September 1940 to 26th September 1940. Japanese victory. Occupied French Indochina. Pacific Wars. Defeated. Signed the Paris Peace Treaties. Indonesian National Revolution. 29th September 1945 to 27th December 1949. Japan and Indonesian victory. Indonesia gets independent from Netherlands. Restoration of the reputation of remnants of the Japanese army. Operation Masterdom, 13th September 1945 to 30th March 1946. Restoration of French rule in Indochina. Start of the First Indochina War, lasting until Geneva Conference of 1954. Now we're going to talk about the languages which were spoken in the Empire of Japan. Japanese, which was spoken in whole Japan except for Hokkaido, Kuril Islands, and South Sakhalin. Ainu language only in Hokkaido, Kuril Islands, and South Sakhalin. Amami language only in Okinawa and Kagoshima. Okinawa language only in Okinawa and Kagoshima. Miyako language only in Okinawa, Kagoshima. Yaman language only in Okinawa, Kagoshima. Yonaguni language only in Okinawa and Kagoshima. Korean only in Korea. Vietnamese only in Empire of Vietnam, now Vietnam. Manchu language only in Manchukuo, present day Manchuria. China. Mongolian language only in Zhejiang, present day Inner Mongolia, China. Filipino language only in Second Republic of Philippines. Burmese language only in State Language of Burma. Chinese language only in Wang Jingwei regime, Taiwan. Now People's Republic of China. North Shaanxi Autonomous Government. East Hebei Autonomous Government, Reform Government of China. South Chahar Autonomous Government, Zhejiang Provisional Government of the Republic of China, British Singapore, British Hong Kong. Mongolian only in Zhejiang. Malay language only in British Singapore, British Malaya, and British Borneo. Indonesian language only in Dutch West Indies. Kiribati language only in Kiribati. English, which is spoken in British Singapore, British Hong Kong. Kiribati, British Malaya, Philippines, and British Borneo, Nauru. Cantonese only in British Hong Kong. Tamil language only in British Singapore and British Malaya. Vietnamese language only in Empire of Vietnam. Lao language only in Kingdom of Luang Prabang, Tok Pisin, and other languages only in Japanese occupied Papua. Dutch language only in Dutch West Indies. Chamorro language, Carolean language only in Northern Mariana Islands. Now we're going to talk about the ethnicity. Ryukyuan people only in Okinawa, Kagoshima. Ainu people only in Hokkaido, Kuril Islands, and South Sakhalin. Korean people only in Korea. Vietnamese people only in Empire of Vietnam, now Vietnam. Manchu people only in Manchukuo, present day Manchuria, China. Mongolian people only in Zhejiang, present day Inner Mongolia, China. Filipino people only in Second Philippine Republic. Burmese people only in State of Burma. Chinese people only in Wang Jingwei regime, Taiwan, now People's Republic of China. Now, North Shaanxi Autonomous Government, East Hebei Autonomous Government, Reform Government of China, South Chahar Autonomous Government, Zhejiang Provisional Government of Republic of China, British Singapore, British Hong Kong. Mongolian people only in Zhejiang. Malay people only in British Singapore, British Malaya, British Borneo. Indonesian people only in Dutch West Indies. Kiribati people only in Kiribati. Cantonese people only in British Hong Kong. Hayato people only in Kyushu region of Japan. Papao people only in Japanese occupied Papao. Chamorro people only in Mariana Islands. Carolean people only in Micronesia. Obeke or Bonin Islanders only in Obeke Islands. Tamil people only in British Singapore and British Malaya. Now we're going to talk about the neighbors of the Empire of Japan. The British Empire, which was only in British Raj and territory of Papua, Soviet Union, Mongolia, Republic of China, and Thailand. Now we're going to talk about the fall of Empire of Japan. The surrender of the Empire of Japan in World War II was announced by Emperor Hirohito on 15th August and formally signed on 2nd September 1945, bringing the war's hostilities to a close. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you put a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos, and also subscribe to my film channel. The link is in the description. And anyways, goodbye.